Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a backflip competition, but in monster truck destruction. It's gonna be awesome. Who do you think is gonna win? 12 of the best monster trucks are ready. Alright, let's get started. Wild Thing is ready, and what the? Oh, he's trying to save it, and he saves it, but that's not gonna be a good score. Let's see. And the judges are gonna say it's a 5.5. Not a great score. Like, he didn't even complete the backflip, but here's the instant replay. He goes huge air, and then he crashes right there, and then he tries to save it, and he's gonna have the lead. But I don't think that's gonna be for long. But yeah, Wild Thing. Oh, not the best. Didn't even complete the backflip, but oh well. Alright, Captain USA up next. Up next is Captain USA. Here he goes. He hits the backflip into a wheelie. Wow. And he's still on a wheelie. Look at this. Unbelievable. That's going to be a good score. Let's see what the score is. Judges are waiting. It's a 9. Wow. That was awesome. Here's the instant replay. A good backflip. And then he hits the two front tires and then goes into a wheelie. That was awesome. And 9, that's a good score. 9 is a really good score. Almost 10. Almost 10. And then look at this. He goes into a wheelie. He hits the dirt, I guess. Yeah, he hits the dirt. And then he's still on a wheelie. Like, that was awesome. Alright, then Carolina Crusher up next. Can he beat Captain USA? Up next is Carolina Crusher. Here he goes. Ooh, nice one. And he does a little moonwalk. Awesome. Let's see what the judges say. What's the score? Let's see. It's a 7.4. Okay, not bad, not bad. Here's the instant replay. Good backflip. I thought he wasn't going to make it, but he did. And then, watch this. When he bounces, look at this. Into a little moonwalk right there. Wow, awesome, guys. Does not beat Captain USA. But yeah, not bad for Carolina Crusher. Up next is Black Widow. Oh, okay. Alright, here he goes. Oh, what was that? Okay, not bad. Let's see what the judges give him. Let's see. It's a 7.3. Look at this. He hits the backflip hard. But, bro, how? That was awesome. Does not beat Captain USA, but still not bad from Black Widow. Up next is Wicked. Here he goes. Oh, not ready, not ready. Alright, here he goes. And what the... Bro. What just happened? 3.4, yeah, not a great score, of course. See, it looks like he's going to get in a backflip, but then something catches him. And then he doesn't do the backflip. He saves it, but... Man, that's last place. That's gotta be embarrassing for the Wicked Monster Truck. Up next, it is Aftershock. Let's see what he does. Good backflip into a moonwalk. That was awesome. Wow, what a backflip. He does a backflip into a moonwalk. Doing little cyclones to celebrate. Let's see. 8.8, man, that's a close one. Wow. Let's look at the instant replay. A good backflip. And then... he bounces right there, and then he gets into a moonwalk. Bro, that's like some Monster Jam stuff, am I right? Does not take a lead, but hey, pretty impressive by Aftershock. Up next is Weston Renegade. Here he goes. A good backflip, and he gets into a moonwalk. Not much though, but let's see what the judges give him. Trying to do a donut doesn't work out that much. Let's see, 8.2. Okay. Let's look at instant replay. A good backflip, a really good backflip, huge air, and then. This is like Aftershock's backflip. When he bounces, he gets in the moonwalk, which is pretty cool. Not bad, doesn't take a lead, but hey, pretty impressive. Up next, it is USA #1. Here he goes. Goes a little crooked. Oh, he gets the wheelie. Uh-oh, he crashes, but he saves it. Oh my goodness, that was awesome. I think we have a new leader. Let's see. It's an 8. What? Okay. Let's look at the instant replay. He goes crooked. But then, he goes into a wheelie right here. So he goes into a wheelie. He keeps going on into a wheelie. But then, right here, he crashes. And then he rolls over. And then he saves it. So, the judges say that he will not take the lead. Okay. Not bad by USA #1. Up next, it is Black Knight. Here he goes. Whoa! That's like Black Widow's backflip. Wow. Let's see, what is the score? Let's see. It's a 7.1. So yeah, this is like Black Widow's backflip. He goes fast, and then he hits it hard, and then lands it. Pretty impressive by Black Knight. Does not beat Captain USA, but still, not bad. Up next, it is Tornado. Here we go. It's an 8. Okay, not bad. Does not take the lead. But here's the instant replay. A good backflip. Then, this is like Aftershock's backflip. He bounces and then gets into a moonwalk. So yeah, pretty impressive. Alright guys, up next is California Kid. We have 2 more trucks, California Kid and Bigfoot. Here he goes, huge here, he gets into a wheelie. Okay, not bad. I don't think it's going to take the lead, but let's see. It's an 8.4. Wow, does not take the lead. Here's the instant replay. Huge air. Then he bounces on the back tires. Then that's it. Just lands back on his 4 tires. And now we have 1 more truck. And you know who that is. It's Bigfoot, our final truck. Can he beat Captain USA? Well, let's find out right now. Our final truck, it's Bigfoot. Can he do it? Let's find out. He hits a backflip, and oh man, I think Captain USA won. Let's find out. Let's find out. Let's see. It's an 8.1. It's over. Captain USA wins the backflip competition. Here's the instant replay. Big air from Bigfoot. And then he lands hard in the front. I thought he was going to do a moonwalk, but he cannot. He could not beat Captain USA. And that means Captain USA is your backflip competition winner. Unbelievable, guys. And here he is, guys. Captain USA winning the backflip competition and is your king of the backflip competition. What's he doing? He's hitting the... What? He's hitting the ramp backwards. Man, that was awesome. Captain USA is now your king of the backflip competition. Whoa, that was awesome. But anyways, guys, that's going to end the video. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And I'll catch you guys next